What is up, DTube Steam blockchain? So today I'm gonna try to make a little bit of a test to talk a little bit about DTC coins and scarcity. So Avalon blockchain is launching May the 10th, 2020. That's in 13 days from now. So, okay, DTC coins and scarcity. Are DTC coins scarce? Well, they kind of are, because the starting supply is 4 million coins, but that's only if everyone claims. Let's try to run the math a little bit. So, okay, we start with 4 million coins, which is 4.5x less than Bitcoin's total supply. Of course, there's going to be printed more DTCs, so it's going to go up a bit. Okay, so let's run the math. So we know that the 2 million coins. So okay, first 1 million DTCs sold to investors, or being sold to investors at 10 cents each, and at the moment around 60% has been sold, or maybe even 70%. Yeah, oh wait a sec, it's 70%. So there's only like, I think, or maybe 69%. Last time I checked, 69% sold, which means there's around 30k coins left. 30k US dollars can buy up all of them at 10 cents. Okay, so only 30k. That a big a one whale can come in and buy them up, and then there is no more cheap 10 cents coins anymore. So okay, so that is 1 million coins. So they already bought a bunch of coins. What more do we have? Well, content creators get 2 million coins, 2 million DTCs over 6 months. So if we assume, let's run the math. Okay, so 2 million coins over 6 months, that's only if they claim. That's 333,000 per month. But let's say that only 80% claim. Yeah, let's call it 80%. Let's say 80% claim, okay, which I still would be a pretty high rate. I'm not even sure if it's going to be that, but then it's 266,000 coins of DTCs that creators kind of claim, or curators. Let's say 20% hits an exchange. If 20% of DTCs hits an exchange, which, I mean, 20%, people worked really hard for these, so I don't even know if it's going to be that high. But then it's 50 coins, 50 DTCs per month only. Oh yeah, only 50k coins, 50k DTCs. This means that, you know, if we assume, if you just look at it from like a dollar perspective, because it's just easier than 10 cents, or let's look at it from 10 cents. At 10 cents value, that would be that one guy would be able to buy up the whole month of new DTC coins on an exchange for $5,000, which sounds then that it's like too low. So okay, so let's say like a dollar. Okay, $50,000 can still buy up all of those coins, even at a dollar. So it's really, really interesting. You kind of see that yeah, there is actually a lot of scarcity in here, because 50k coins, how many is that per day? That's only 1,777. It's not even 2,000 DTCs per day. Yeah, and that is like mainnet DTC coins. So yeah, it is quite scarce. So let's go with, okay, 260, okay, 50k coins. Let's say it hits an exchange times 6. That's in 6 months, that would be 300k DTCs. Okay, like, and that's during a long time. So that's not that many coins, man. Like 300,000 DTCs, if a 50k would enter the on exchange per month, at a dollar, that's only 300k. And 300k, it's not that much in crypto. Like Steam was valued at $2 billion, and I think it's a worse product than DTube and Avalon blockchain, because the voting power was worse. They did not focus that much on video. So I mean, it's kind of interesting, right? I mean, 300k, not that much in crypto. and during a long period, also 6 months. So let's divide that by 6. Okay, 50K. So let's say 50K a month at $1 per DTC divided by 30. That's only $1,500 per day. $1,500, that's not that much, like, in crypto. So even at $1, it's like, I'm not even sure if you're gonna be able to get DTC coins at $1 from content creators, because I mean, it seems like you have some real scarcity here, and many investors don't even know about DTC. And sure, you also, these coins that got bought, so these 600k coins that got bought at the moment by investors at 10 cents each, yeah, sure, they may also sort of enter an exchange eventually. So let's say they do that also. Okay, let's add up. Let's say 20% hits an exchange. Okay, in 6 months, that is 120,000 coins divided by 6. Okay, so another 20,000 coins per month. So let's say 50,000 coins from creators and 20,000 coins from, let's say, the early investors, and let's say from the team they get 1,000,000. Let's say 10,000 coins. You're only still up in like 80,000 DTCs hitting an exchange per month, and even at $1, even if DTC would be valued at $1, I mean, that is still just $80,000 in 1 month. Like, one big whale would be able to buy up all of it. So DTC coin and price would be so fascinating to follow, because when I run the numbers, it seems like it's extremely scarce. And I have proven this many times. For example, that both Steam and Hive have almost 100x more coins. Almost 100x more coins. And even when they have 100x more coins, they so Hive almost hit $1 today, okay, and they have 100x more coins. So, and I think it's a worse product than Avalon blockchain, and they barely even focus on video that much. So I mean, it's kind of interesting, right? It's kind of interesting. I mean, if you look at it, like, it seems like, yeah, I mean, you could run your own math. Like, I'm very, very curious to see what's gonna happen, because this is like, I don't even know if 80k DTCs is gonna hit an exchange per month. Even it may just be, so I counted on, I think, 20%, but it may just be 5%. You know, so divide, so 4 times lower. That would only be 20,000 DTCs per month hitting an exchange. And if it would be just $1, or like $1, around $1, someone can buy all of them up for $20,000, and $20,000 is not that much money in crypto. So it seems like, I mean, it seems like it should be kind of higher, right? Yeah, because really, when you look at the math, it seems like it should be higher than $1. But it's going to be interesting to see how people behave and react, and how creators use DTube, and how investors are looking at it. And yeah, there's a lot of factors at play, especially when you have a new network going. So it's going to be fascinating to follow Avalon blockchain mainnet 13 days from now, May the 10th, 2020. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Also, yeah, and also, yeah, you should know also that the team, they get only the coins, 1 million coins during 12 months. So I think it was even slower than content creators, which is very, very interesting also. So yeah, very, very cool times coming up. Have a great day, DTube and Steam blockchain. Bye bye.